Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Blue. In our previous video, we learned Class 7 English Unit 1 Healthy Life from the Karnataka State Syllabus. In today's video, we will discuss the question answer, important points and textbook exercise from this lesson in a simple and easy way. If you haven't watched the lesson explanation video yet, don't worry, I have provided the link in the description box below. Please watch the video first to understand the lesson better. So let's begin the question and answer discussion of Unit 1 Healthy Life. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Study Bloom. Let's get started. The first question is, what happened to the witches after the explosion? Answer, all the witches were turned into tiny creatures like germs as a result of explosion. They were trapped in liquid in a small bottle which was lying a swamp. Second one, what did the boy do with the new drink? Answer, the boy thought that it was a nice drink and swallowed it fully. Next third one question, how did the boy change after drinking the potion? Answer, the witches changed the boy's like and dislikes. Fourth one, mention the worst thing that the witches learned to do. Answer, the witches had learned to jump from one person to another like virus. They caused the worst disease in a, disease ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಕೇಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ disease in a man like disease of a wasting life. Next ಇದೆ continue. Who discovered the witches? Answer, Dr. Fit and Healthy discovered the witches. What did the patient do before they went to Dr. Fit and Healthy? The answer is the patient did not eat fruits, vegetable. They did not feel like walking, running or playing. They started feeling ill. They had no desire to do anything. What was the advice of Dr. Fit and Healthy? Here it is the answer. The best remedy was neither pill nor injection. The patient should eat fruit and vegetable and do some exercise. If anybody took his advice, they became healthy and the witches had to leave that body or they could be rid of by a single sneeze. Okay, this is the question. Then vocabulary bandre, here it is the given that the fill in the blank using suitable word from the word given in a bracket. Okay, so illi our options ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, you can choose one the correct answer here. Okay, the first one, the multiple choice here, the earth was the healthiest place where adult and children enjoy good life. Next, one of the witches was dash about people being healthy. Are powerful. Okay, answer powerful or furious antide. Here it is the answer is furious. Ade tara next one question. There was a big dash that destroyed the forest. Thunder or explosion? The correct answer is explosion. The witches were dashed in a small bottle, trapped or gathered. Here answer it is the trapped. There was no dash to get rid of the witches. Mixture or vaccine. Here it is the answer is vaccine. When a person became healthy, the witches had to leave the body riding on a from a sneeze, cough or a sneeze ಅನ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ sneeze. Okay, ಇದೇ ತರ C2 answers ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ here it is that I will scroll here, you can see, either you can take the screenshot. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ, like C3 also is there. Yes, so these are the question answer today we are discussing. Okay, if it is the videos useful to you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.